I've been seeing these Snail Mucin facial products all over my TikTok For You page, so you know I had to be the next one to try it. I got all these products from a brand called COSRX. And I tell you guys, I beat my face to take content like 7 hours ago. I took a shower. I got in the freaking pool and this makeup remover still got the rest of the makeup off. Definitely 100 out of 10. That is crazy. Next up, I wanted to try their blemish control. Came with tweezers to pluck these little balls out. Y'all, this was so cool. I've never seen skincare in ball form, so you guys know I had to try this out. So this is what they look like. Super hydrated, super smooth. I immediately felt like, okay, I like this product. Look at my skin, and we did not even do much yet. Bottle said to put it anywhere where you feel like you have heavy amounts of blemish or dark spots, and for me, that's been everywhere lately. Kept smelling everything because I was like, what does snails smell like? Everything was scentless, thank God. This definitely was a 10 out of 10. I love that. Far so good. These products are mwah so far. This is the one I was really anticipating. Snail Mucin. It's 92% snail secretion. What? I'm imagining what the consistency would be like. You know, I had to just go ahead and crack it open. This is the packaging it came in. It had a twist off top, which was good. It even had a seal on it. Guys, look how slimy that is. Oh my gosh. I had to smell this one too because I'm like, what does it smell like? Again, scentless, which is great. Let me get back into that though. Look at that. Good thing about this product is it was completely spreadable, so all I needed was the little excess off the cap, and look how nice it glided onto my face. This felt good immediately. Like, I immediately felt like my skin was relieved. So here's me spreading it all over my face, trying to make sure I cover every nook and cranny. It felt smooth, it felt creamy, it felt thick but not too thick. I was in love immediately. Forget to spread your skincare down to your neck, guys. Your skin is part of your facial care. You can see how much I enjoyed this product because I was blending it like just for fun at this point. It just felt better and better the more I blended it in. Basically, every facial product feels good while it's wet, so I kept blending just to see what it would feel like once it dried down. And you guys, look at my face. Oh my gosh, it felt so freaking good. Look at everything is literally glistening. Like, this is amazing. So side profile so you guys could see. Another side profile. Doesn't my skin just look alive? Like, literally, this is about to be a part of my daily skincare. I don't care. Another side profile. I'm going to rate the blemish control a smooth 10 out of 10. I did enjoy that a lot. It was hydrating. It was scentless. I'm going to rate the makeup remover 1,000 out of 10. Easy, because how did you discover makeup I put on 7 hours ago? This is definitely getting replaced with my micellar water. I'm putting away the box and I didn't even realize there was Snail Mucin serum at the bottom. How did I miss that? I just went in with a pump on my face and oh my goodness, this was gluey as well. But so freaking hydrating. Everything was a 10 out of 10. New favorite products.